if you mine H1 token on Satoshi Mining app, then you all know that the wallet submission is live now and you have to submit your wallet. And for you to submit to your wallet, you have between 30th of September to 21st of October before this opportunity ends. And note, before you submit your wallet address, you must have performed the Testnet tax. And if you don't know how to go about the Testnet tax for H1 token, I have already made a detailed tutorial on how you can do that, and I will leave the link for you in the comment section or description of this video. So make sure to watch that video before you come back here to submit your wallet. And it is very compulsory and mandatory for you to do that according to the H1 official. So but if you have done that and you are ready to submit your wallet, then let me quickly show you how you can go about that as well. So right now, here is my Satoshi app, and this new update look confusing, more like the old version of Satoshi that we are all used to. And if this still look confusing to you, then this is how you are going to go about this. Just simply click on this me down here, and it will take you to your profile, and here you will see your asset, which is my asset. And what you want to do is to click on see all. So by the time you click on see all, you will see the tokens that you already mine or you have. Then what you want to do is to look for H1, and then you click on it. Once you click on it, just give it a few seconds, it will load up link withdrawal address for you. And once you click on it, you will see your withdrawal address and asset password. So to get your withdrawal address, you just have to go and open a core network EVM wallet compatible application. You can use either Trust Wallet, you can use OES, and you can also use Bitget. So if you want to use MetaMask, it's fine. If you want to use Bitget, it's also fine. But in this video, I will be showing you how you can do that in MetaMask and Bitget. So, but then make sure that any wallet you want to submit here, you perform the testnet on that particular wallet. You make sure that that wallet is linked with the testnet. It is very mandatory task for you to do. And again, I have already made a detailed tutorial about that, and the link to the video will be in the comment section or description of this video. So right now, let me start with Bitget. So here is my Bitget wallet application, and as you can all see right here, I named this Satoshi because I use it to perform Satoshi app. And how are you going to know that this wallet is compatible with what you want to do here? If you click on this wallet down here, you will see this is a core network, and if you click on up here under this network, you should see H1, which is having one testnet. It means that I have interact with the H1 testnet, and if you do that by going through the video I made, you will see that you must have at least 10 H1 token right here. And which wallet are you going to submit to Satoshi? What you want to do is to just make sure that you click on either all network. If you click on all network, just make sure that you copy your core wallet address. But to be on the safer side, make sure that you switch to core, and then you click on this core, then you click on receive, and then you simply copy the receiver address. You go back to your Satoshi Mining app, and then you submit this, and then you need your asset password. Of course, you must have set that up, and if this is your first time of coming here, go to me and then you see where you can set your asset password. So I will input my asset password and then move on to the next thing. So I have input my asset password, so I just have to click on link withdrawal address, and then you will see confirm. An OTP will be sent to your email address for verification. So I will be copying that and verify. So as you can see, I'm done with the withdrawal address. Link is successful, and what I have to do is to just click on close, and I have successfully linked my withdrawal address. So whatever you see after this, you just have to ignore it because the record has been taken. And for those people who want to use MetaMask, let me show you how you can get your core address once and for all. So for those who want to use MetaMask, here is my MetaMask interface, and the most important thing is that you must be on core network, and then you must have performed the H1 testnet as well, which you can check the video in the comment section below to see how you can do that. It's a must. And if you just want to sell, maybe you don't, and if you don't have this core DAO network on your own MetaMask, maybe you are performing this kind of tax for the first time, what you want to do is to click on this discovery browser down here. So you just click on the search bar and you search for core.o.org and you click on search. So you wait for this core.o dashboard to load up and you just scroll down. By the time you scroll down here, you will see add core network. So you just have to click on it, and this will request you to add core.o to your MetaMask network. And by the time you are done with this, you should see core network in your own browser as well. And then you must perform the H1 testnet before you copy. You must perform the H1 testnet before you come back to copy this core receiving address. It's a must to perform that task before you submit your address. Don't say I don't tell you. This is how you submit your withdrawal address for H1 Airdrop. And if you get any value from this video, don't forget to like this video, share this video for more farmers to see, and of course subscribe to this channel for more updates like this. See you on the next one. Peace out.